How to fix Instagram picture not changing on iPhone. First is by going to your App Store and then search for Instagram by clicking on search found on the lower right corner and search for Instagram. What you're going to do right here is to update your Instagram. Make sure to hit on that update button whenever it is available. So click on update and wait for it to load. And then, once it is done loading, you may go back to Instagram and change your photo. So go ahead on Instagram and then change your photo once again. If the problem still continues, then I would suggest you to refresh your Instagram by swiping down. So let's just wait for it to install and then go ahead on Instagram. Once it's done loading, go to your profile, change the photo, and then again refresh by swiping down like this one. And if the problem still continues, then go ahead on this button right here on the upper right corner, and then go to settings and make sure to report your problem. So click on help and report a problem right here. Click on report a problem and write down your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram picture not changing on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.